I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know, now you know. I'm a bad liar, bad liar. Now you know. Free to go. Well, alright. Before we started, let me get the Unity start first. I forgot to start Unity every time before the stream. Every time. Alright. I'm so dumb. Let's see. What was I doing yesterday? Oh, hello guys. This is BlueGeminiPegasus and welcome to another freaking game dev moment. And I'm seriously tired and hungry right now because I haven't eaten anything, but never mind. That's not a point. It's already 12. I should stop now. Alright, so the Unity Manuka Honey Adventure is loading right now over here. So before that, let's get our daily goal right down. So okay, yesterday I thought I finished the animation, but then surprise, Adrian, you MTF care are you mess up the animation because you did not communicate with your little artist. So I decided to communicate with my artist, trying to explain what happened, and she understand it, but I don't know how to explain. What should I do it? So B, my artist B, mentor, step in and help me created a nice little, what is it called again? Animation file, which it has the spreadsheet, and I'll be using this today to reset the animation. So firstly, let's export this file to the desktop. Yes, I haven't exported because, as I say, I don't want to do anything offstream, and this is a 12-hour challenge. And then now, since we are exporting the file, oh, it's already finished exporting. Can check it here. So this is the one which is cut, but I won't be using the one. I won't using all of this one. I will immediately use the spreadsheet for the whole animation thing. But anyway, it's importing. Let's also this fix protagonist animation. So it will be today goal. I mean, this is the first goal. The main menu is just adding the credit scene. I still have to talk to them, the one who helped me about the credits. So I will keep that in the last. And the protagonist movement is already finished by 50%. At least it can move now, but I need to add animation into it. The other prototype is sure a bit of sorry. So I have to fix animation today. I don't think that would take like what 2 hours, even though yesterday took almost 2 hours. Coding, if I know what I'm doing, then I don't think it would take 1 hour, even though yesterday it also took 1 hour. Other than that, I'm not sure what's I going. Oh yeah, I'm going to build a level too. So if I want to build a level, other than the beehive, of course, the beehive is the house. It's not like I don't need to build a house. It's just the outer area of the house I need to get ready, and due to this, wait, do I need to build a house first, or wait, I kind of forget this prototype was about. Oh yeah, it was, the prototype was to show the fighting system with our William, not William. Okay, it's William. So that's mean we should immediately go to the midterm fight. I will have to create the mid fight level, and thanks to help from my friend and also Manuka, the protagonist, and my artist B's mental help. Mental help. He gave me like quite good tile set to use. I think I'll be using that. Let me just. It's not that suit my artist style, but I think I still can use it. So I'm just gonna download it here. I'll put the link in the description to I have no money. This is why I'm doing it free. I will put a link in the description to credit the owner of this. Okay. This is by. I have. I don't really. Oh, Kainos. Let me see. Actually, he is really good with the drawing here. But it does feel like it has a bit. I don't know. Is it 3D feel? I don't think it's a 3D feel. But yeah, I'll be using this tile set. Thank you to Rex, my friend, and the mentor of B. Well, B say so herself. B say so B self. So I'm gonna stop when I speak your name or calling you mentor. Okay. Alright, fight me or anything. Kill. Not kill. Don't kill me. I mean, fight me for that in the future. But now I just want to focus on this. Let's see. Oh, it has a package. Okay, let's make this easy. As long as it has a package, it will be much more easy. Wait, where did I? Oh, it's here. Okay. Is the file? Yes, the file is open now. So before I start the timer thing, actually the timer already starts as soon as I started the stream. Before I start the timer thing, let's like kind of try the movement here. So I can kind of moving smoothly without the walking animation, of course, because the animation I need to fix it today. The only problem I'm currently facing is when the screen zoom in, the protagonist Manuka is kind of pixelated, like really much, but in the scene it's actually quite okay. So I need to fix this problem by adjusting the pixel size. So let's do that first actually. Add to model. Manuka, is it this? Oh, this one. Also, this would be a problem because the sprite sheet he gave me is with sort, but the issue is I don't want to sort. Because again, there's some point Manuka will lose her sort, but alright, it's okay. That's not in the prototype. Maybe I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's in the prototype. I'm gonna try to fix the pixel per unit problem first. Is it larger or smaller? Will become clearly. I don't remember. Is it 1000? Right? Okay, no. Smaller, I think. What? Should just become mega size. $50 is good, but need to. I might need to adjust a bit the size of well making the game. Zoom in first. Alright, okay, let's fix the animation. So first, let's import the whole sprite sheet. And we will do this by multiple and 50 pixelated science sprite data. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 row and 4 column. Is it 8 column or 4 row? 8 column or 4 row? Yes. 4? No, it's 8 and 4. So slice it, and I think it'll be alright. I guess let's see. Yeah, I think it'll be alright. Let's apply this here. We'll have all the spreadsheet now. Ouch! Accidentally hit my leg again. That's not the point. Alright, let's do the animation. Character attack animation. We will first fix the attack animation. I think I will see if the attack animation fit the either animation or not. If it does not fit, I don't think it will fit. But I'll try anything I can do. So there's like the original attack animation given by the artist was 6 frames, but now the new one is actually 19 frames. Is it 19 frames? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 19 frames. So now I need to adjust this to 19 frames, and I just gonna pick from the first one and to the 19. Yeah, again, it's 16, right? Is it 9 or 6? I can't even do basic math now. 16. Wait. Oh, there's one more here. I didn't realize. Okay. Should be 17 then. Let's do this. Alright, we will try to play it first. I feel like the animation is alright. Let's go back to idle. Okay, we need to readjust the collider, I forgot. So yeah, it feels much more better, even though she's like bigger, twice the size now. Let's put 5, and then we will also make the hive larger then. I mean, not larger, but to make it like much more smoother, or you can see, is it model? I don't even remember where I keep my file. And we'll just apply. I do still feel blur from Manuka here. Let's put 4. Yeah, I think it's better, but better than just now. Alright, we will have to close the player input of the gizmos. I cannot close the gizmos, seriously. I really cannot close the gizmos. Then I will have to I'll add this later, okay? Let's remove the component. And okay, we'll edit the collider. Okay, so if this is the quote-unquote middle of Manuka, then back to play input just in case I forgot later. Play input and play. Okay, this is quote-unquote the middle of Manuka, so we should try the animation of her attack, right? Let's go to animation, character, attack animation. No, just open this and here, let's play it. This is the idle one, the attack one. Maybe if I change the idle animation, it would be better. This one should be the idle one. Okay, we put it in for sample size to test it. Wait, why did she? God. Not you, Claymore. I'm sorry, I need to double check something before I continue. Oh yeah, is this? Oh, this was the first sketch, I think. Is it? I'm not so sure. Alright, time to re-edit the collider. Should have just changed the sprite first. I accept that. So the move one, so I have to redo using the old models. One should be the one that move. Oh wait. I don't want to make Manuka's collider larger because I feel like should become a bit. I mean, this size is good, but I will get like a lot of complaint. Why do the sword did not hit Manuka, but it hits something like that? I think overall is good. I think overall it can be used better than just now. I mean better than yesterday. The animation just like teleport here and there. Alright, let's try. I will not delete any sprite first. I will just keep the animation as it seems. Other than the idle one, I need to edit a bit. Let's do egg. Copy this, paste it here. Copy this and paste it here. Copy this and paste it here. Then turn to 6 and play. Is it too fast? I don't feel like it's too fast though. I think it's just quite the okay amount of speed. Yeah, I think this is the good amount of speed. Alright, we will be continuing the next step then. I think I can. Oh wait, I have one animation I forgot to add. Yes, and that is the hurt animation. So this animation is gonna be only 2 frames, if I remember from the spreadsheet correctly. It's 2 frames, but I will have to make it into 5 frames, 4 frames of this. Actually, it's one same frame, but I need it to like do this for 1 second. I can either ask this animation to play for 1 second, not 1 second, 0.5 second. When I got hit 0.5 seconds, knocked back, and then 0.5 second invulnerable, 1 second in 1 second invincible. Then yeah, I think it's possible to do it, to do the blink effect and stuff. All of those are made with animation inside Unity or with the script. Can either do with the script or the animation. I'll create with the script. I'm more to a scripting guy anyway. Coder, not stripper. Okay, just want it to play. Yeah, Okay, I think this is fine. I think this is fine. Alright, so okay, I can also do one more thing for the animation. It's when she's hurt. 6, please. Is it? Oh, it's Control 6. I click alternate 6. Hurt animation. I can add a property which is the capture collider to be enabled into disable for all of it. Alright, great. Now we just have to redo the animation. So any time of state she could be hurt while she was either moving, attacking, she could hurt. So I just put 1 any state and go to the hurt animation, and hurt animation can go back to idle. Is it good? Yes. Okay, so any state to go to hurt, I'll have to create a trigger which is hurting trigger to be activated in order to play that animation. It's attacking, and when speed 0.01 and speed greater than 0.01, then this one is attacking. Right. If the animation condition parameter all is wrong, I will fix it later, but not now. Just need to like lay a foundation of whatever I'm doing. Okay, because that one is inside the script. Alright, I'll consider this part animation is done. Alright, so we'll go back to scripting. Yes, the most what is it called again? Frame 5 to 11 or something is stream version for gameplay purpose. Probably won't be the same gen since that either have different dimension. You also need to replace the idle. I can realign the walk animation if you want. I can try to use whatever you just sent me, Rex, but I will try it later because I'm just consider this as done first. Hey, I wanna do coding, and I love coding. I'm sick about coding. Alright, let's go to coding. Okay, yesterday I did Manuka movement. Manuka, I swear to God, if you yee again. Visual Studio is taking a long damn time to open, and I'm already 30 minutes in. 12-hour challenge. Sure, yesterday 3 hour. Today I'm just gonna use 3 hour because after all of this I have to go packing. I have to move all my stuff to hostel. Yes, go back to study. They say. Okay, so yesterday I have finished movement here. This one is just an unrefined movement script, but at least it works, right? Okay, so now I need to trigger the animation. Let's say if animation has animator equal to it's equal to true, then we will have to play the animation. So animator dot, where is my Why is my Unity engine not linking into my Visual Studio? Okay, it's okay. Set float of parameter ID. Where's the parameter ID for? Forgot. It's speed. Okay, speed. We will call this the. Alright. We also have to recalculate our movement speed, which is the current speed will be movement speed. Movement speed is the original speed times with time dot fix delta time, and times this one is in for the future. Okay, sprinting speed or dashing speed. If I want to add sprinting, I can do this. I can add dashing to dodge attack. So I'll just keep it here for future reference. Then this one will go to target speed. This one will go to target speed. Alright, great. So the moving animation should work now. Just gonna try this because I have a lot of self-doubt. I'm a self-doubter. Shouldn't I be capturing when there is hot control? I have no idea what's that. I'm gonna check. Why is she suddenly moving? God. Okay, I'm freeze this. I cannot press on the console for some reason. Okay, can already. Right. This is GUI utilities. Okay, so I am really confused because she has started moving for no reason as soon as I start the game. But I'm not even walking at this point. Did I forget to give him the input again? Okay, I am dumb. See, play input action map should be keyboard and mouse, and let's do it again. Wait, I'm in the prefab. It's gonna be a problem. Alright, let's go. Okay, so where did the 0.04 speed come from? Where did the 0.0 speed come from? Let's try. Oh, okay, I think I know what's the mistake. Should be using target speed times time dot fixed delta time. Right, or should I not use this way? No, so target speed is velocity, vector 2. And then move time target speed is vector 2. Move is vector 2. So target speed is unable to assign. I cannot assign move times movement speed time dot delta time because vector 2 cannot convert into float. But the issue I have currently is this move, which I get it from input catcher here. May actually set back to 0 if I don't move. But movement speed times time dot delta time fixed delta time dot fixed delta time dot fixed time dot delta time or fixed delta time anyway. So this one will never be 0. But it's not like he's moving. I mean, it's not like she's moving. What I can do is tweak the animation condition, which I asked it to be 0.001. But I don't think she will go back to idle either. So I need to find a workaround. Okay. Yeah, it's greater than 0.01. As soon as it's greater than 0.001, wait, such a dumbass. I think I can fix this from here. Because in my old code, I actually use horizontal movement to detect the 0, 0 and 1. Which if you don't move, it will be 0. If you move, it will be 1, -1, +1y, or -1, -1y. But this one, this new system, I think I have to break it down. Or I can look for the other way, which is Unity top-down view with new input system. Why is everything is video? Is there like no stuff I can read? Or yes, okay, great. Yes, I have suddenly thought of a new idea. Instead of using greater speed, okay, instead of using greater speed, let's see. So light bulb, we edit the parameter a bit. Yes, delete out this. Make it as a trigger. Alright. And this one will be moving. Yep. Okay. So then if, let's say if where's my talk again? Oh yeah, if there is movement, like there is a set trigger, set trigger movement. Okay, if the player press WASD, I will trigger the movement so that I can play the movement animation. Yep. If the player press WASD, I will trigger the animation. So I will have to do move is not equal to 0. And then if you tell me that move is a vector 2, it cannot to be integer, then I'm just gonna do this. I think I can do this to cheat my way, right? No. Right, great. So I don't know if this works. I'm just gonna try. At this point, I'm gonna try anything that might spark in my mind and try it. Like a dumbass. Okay, so I'm currently idle. Not moving. Stupid Adrian. So look me in the eyes. Tell me what you see. Perfect paradise. What? They just suddenly idling. Make her speed faster. Oh, okay. So the reason is, all right. We cannot use moving as trigger. We have to create a moving as boolean. Right, activate it as default will be false. Okay, when it's moving, it's true. Okay, then we will go back to the animator. So set boolean to be moving to be true. So we have to do another condition check over here. If move is not equal to new vector 2 0 0 is moving equal to false. Blah, 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 is moving equal to true. We have to create another condition check up here. This is a boolean, I'm sorry. And then it's moving equal to true. It was assigned to true, this one will be true. If it's false, animator dot set boolean moving to false. Alright, we'll delete this for no reason. Save it, and this one is bugging me out. Alright. Should be working now. If it does not work, I will punch myself. Just kidding, I won't punch myself. So once I move, okay, so idle shouldn't have any exit time. Alright, good. Alright, so moving animation works. God, I'm actually hungry. Should I use 10 minutes to order food? I'm probably fine. I'm probably fine. Alright, we will now do the attack animation. So attacking is actually a trigger where whatever happened, not whatever happened. I will need her to finish. No, whatever state is it, I can like trigger the attack, and I'll just swing the sword. So when I trigger the attack, right? Okay. Then that's the thing is when I attack, so the boolean will set to true. Now we will have to tell the catcher to check our attack. Then we will call the function public void attack. Input should be boolean input. No, vector 2. Is it vector 2? Shit. I need to debug the log first. Remind me again, what's my attack button? Manuka here. Let's also move the animator down here because I will use it later. I'm definitely gonna tweak a lot of animation. The attack button is left button or space. Okay, let's try this for size. No, I want to know, is it Boolean or what? Let me pull out the other script. I have to constantly refer back to my old script. This is really dumb of me, right? It's okay. It's okay. I'll forgive myself. Let's see. Is it this one? No, not this one. It's a catcher. No, this is the action. Let's see. Yeah, it's a Boolean. Okay, good. So over here, public void attacking attack input. We will call it Boolean new attacks. Let's call it new attack state. New attack state. This one's M. This one's M. Okay, then we will call it to attack equal to true. No, attack equal to new attack state. All right. Save this. Okay, we'll go to this one. So here, we have to pass attack in. I don't think we have to pass attack in. Actually, I don't even need to pass move in here. I just need to times this. Let's delete this. I can do this. It's the same thing. All right, so here, what's the error again? What do I want to do? Oh yeah, if attack is true, I will have to play the animation. So when attack is true, play animation, do damage. Damage will based on Manuka strength and the Claymore weapon that she equipped. If I want to do this into like an RPG style, I will let her to change her equipment, right? But again, this is a demo, so I don't want to account all those damage, account all those damage counter like Manuka on string or the sword thing. So but I don't want to account all of those now. I just want to do it for demo. I'm just gonna do it like, you know what? Let's do a script called private void deal damage. Okay, we will skip this first. This one is the damage counter thingy. So if attack is true, if input dot attack equal to true, equal to true, not assigned to, what I have to do is play the animation, right? So if animator has animator equal to true, and animator dot set trigger attack attacking attacking, yes, attacking, and then alright, this is the animation. Okay, we will also do the damage calculation. If no, we'll do the animation first, then call the function that deal damage. So deal damage here, debug.log, you have not yet coded deal damage yet. Alright, let's save this and we will see if the animation is working. That's all I want to do, is like trying to finish all the animation we are coding currently. Let's do this. So move, left click. Okay, that's a big problem. It's not catching. Let's try this. Alright, firstly, input catcher here. Oh yeah, because it's not calling the function. At input value. Dot get boolean. Right. It's press, it's not get boolean. It's press. Alright, let's do this. Let's test it. Okay, now we attack. We work and attack. Alright, while attacking, I will have to stop Manuka move. Is that okay? Is it a vital option? Like, she can either do attack or what is wrong? Thinking. My brain is now moving, like returning, because Manuka is keep on attacking now. So there is a big problem. I have no idea what is the problem now. I mean, that's flaw inside my coding. Again, I'm trying to do this like a piece of plain paper doing this. But once I release, shouldn't it be like, you know, set to false? Let's debug the log. Hmm. She's already started attacking, even though. Is it supposed to be false at start? Wait, what? What is it true? Okay, okay, I need to change a bit the whole thing. Okay, so I need it to return false in order for the animation to work. But I think I have another way to not use it by value, because I used to use a way that does not require value. Maybe I remember wrongly, maybe I remember correctly. I should remember correctly, right? Oh. Oh, okay. I need to set it to force myself. I need to set it to force myself. Okay, I forgot about this. But I I should have a way that I don't need to set to force myself, because I want the player to hold it and then release it. Um is this supposed to be value? Well, I can try. Alright, let's try value first, okay? I wonder, other than express, what else I have? Get express, get type equals, get hash code to string. Okay, I guess just express them. Alright, let's do this. We will close this and save it, please. Play. What's the reason that she toy twice? See, the animation play twice. Even though I press on only. If I hold it, nah, I don't want to let player hold it then. Right, so once everything is done, I will have to set input dot tag equal to false. Alright. Right, let's try again. Okay, so now next, I will have to freeze the player when she move, when she attacking. So she wouldn't be able to move when she's doing the swing because, again, first thing, the idea is the claymore is really heavy for her. That's why when she's walking, she's dragging the whole claymore. It will be cute and funny and stuff. Then, when she swing it, she shouldn't able to move because the claymore will dragging her velocity back. Alright, this is the idea. So when she's swinging, have to force the attack for. Does the attack does the attack animation take 1 second? This is the one. This is another question I want to ask. It looks like it take 1 second for the whole animation to do it. So I'm gonna take it as 1 second. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is available for her to move. Okay. After she's done attacking. Okay, we have to create another boolean. Then only you can do all this kind of stuff. Okay, Ctrl E, save, and I will deal damage. I will enable move is false first. Enable move should be true at start, by the way. After the attack, then we will wait for animation. Okay, I have never worked with animation before. Animation, wait for animation to finish Unity. Okay. Uh-huh. animation event. Let's see, animation event Unity. I mean, I can use this. Also can use state machine, right? State machine is gonna be good to code because it can be used for everyone, every kind of character in the future. But I just wanna finish Manuka first because I'm lazy to think now. I have to finish this in 12 hours, don't you forget. It's already 1 hour and 14 minutes. This is a package that you have to wait for anime. I don't want to wait this. This time I have to reference every animation. Alright, let's use animation event. I will try to use animation event even though I have no idea what is it. This is the purpose of this game anyway, to learn something new. Alright, so let's look at the animation event by going to Manuka attack animation. Let's open this and we will check 16. See if we can add any properties. Wait. No, this is the idle. I'm sorry, I need the attack animation, please. Okay, let's put this as public void enable move to set enable move equal to true. Is it just like that? Alright. Add a property, layer controller, and name. Do I need to code an animation event? Why am I here? Wait. Okay, using animation event. Alright, okay. To add this C# function can be called by an animation event, okay. Print void, print float, print void, public void, print float. Float the value, depart.log, print float is called with the value of the value, okay. To animation, click the event button to add animation event, double click the event line, trigger, okay, I need to click that first. Pull to attack animation at 17, add this, enable move, frame 17. Okay, so should be work, right? Let's try. I don't know, no idea what am I doing. Okay, we walk. Even the walk is a bit delayed. Yeah, the walk is a bit delayed. I think I know why. I'll fix this later. So when I attack, can I move? Okay, so I'm pressing WSD. It's a bit delayed. Everything is a bit delayed here. Let's move to 16 and try. Okay, from idle state to moving state is a bit delayed. That one I need to fix. Tracking this one. It's not equal to 0. True boolean true. I think this one will fix it. Not sure. We'll try. So let's try this. Play. Yeah, walks it. It's a bit delayed. Uh brain not functioning.exe. Actually it's functioning, it's just I need to do I want to change the stat? Maybe if I change the attacking parameter. Now she's attacking twice. Okay, I don't want the player to press 2 times attack. I need to only able to press once. Brain hurt. I mean, yes, this wouldn't work. I should have think about it. What? Can't hear narration. Because I was sulking and fixing the animation, and I like went under the table. You know what it's meant? Went under the table. I'm dead. I'm dead inside right now. Oh, I'm actually not dead inside, but I just suddenly don't know what am I doing. Maybe I should just skip this and go to the next phase, which is coding the attack thing. Let's try one last time. If this doesn't work, I will come back to fix it later. Even though this is like a crucial error, okay. So let's just try one more time. Okay, still it's still attacking twice. I think I know why. Okay, I think I know why. So as soon as the animation start, I will have to set it to false so that it won't play twice, right? The idea is like this, right? Okay, so look. She is still playing twice. Why? I don't get it. Why? Why is the animation playing twice? Oh, she freeze! Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Okay. I'm a bad liar. Is it 15? Nope, this is not what I mean. See. Clearly, cannot change this. Why is it freezing? I must have done something wrong somewhere here. Must have done something wrong somewhere around here, but I have no idea which is what. I am thinking hard. I'm supposed to be not thinking hard, but I'm thinking hard. Right? It's not returning back to idle anymore. Wait. Alright, we will do 0.1 transaction. Still the same. How about 0.5 exit time? 0 exit time. Is it because the exit time is making it cranky? Feels like it's the case though. It broke. It broke. It broke when I left click too much time. Broke when I left click too many times. It broke. Okay, this is bad. Bugs everywhere. Squashing the bugs now. So firstly, when it's attacking, I cannot let it to attack another time until until she is finished attacking, right? So when attacking is true and it's not attacking, but when attacking is true and when it's not attacking, then he can do this or everything, right? Okay, so when it's attacking is true, this one is like when button is pressed, okay, if it's attacking equal to false, can do everything of this. Okay, I have do I have a boolean? Okay, can do everything of this. Set it to is attacking equal to true. So I can do nothing until I finish swinging the sword, which is attacking equal to false. This is a animation event. Okay, save it. Okay, we try it again. I'm a bad liar. Let's try. I hope this time works. It's already 1:45, almost 1:39. I'm in. Why am I not debugging? Look, the animation still freeze. What's the reason the animation freeze? Wait, what is the reason the animation freeze? Is it because it has exit? Okay, so due to it has exit time on both of it. Okay, let's try again with all this setting done. Attack. Okay, attack back to idle. 0 transaction, please. Okay, so the exit time is like making it worse. Okay, now Manuki animation is quote unquote finish. There's one more thing. It's like when it's hurting, the hurting thing is not here yet. Okay, HP, great. I'm surprise. I'm done with this controller thing. Okay, now it's a HP dealing damage and eating damage thing. Okay, controller done. Attacking, animation, flipping, all these. Freak. Yes, flipping is another thing I need to fix. All right. So when it's moving and when the vector is not same thing, the blah blah blah, it will flip. Okay, so okay, this one is actually quite easy to fix. We need to remember what's the last input, last degree that's facing. So let's do the private void flip code first. It will be transform dot scale dot local scale equal to new. Wait, no. How do I do flip again? Send a reference to my old script. Let's see, space walker. Resources and scripts. Now it will burn into my mind that the reason that the animation freeze is because of the exit time. Okay, facing right. It's not facing right. What? No, it doesn't have to be this complicated. The way I do it in this new input system should be local vector 3 the scale, vector 2 the scale equal to transform dot local scale. Okay, so the scale dot x so input dot move equal input dot move is a vector 2, right? If the scale dot x is not equal to input dot move the x, then the scale dot x will minus by negative, not minus, will times -1, then transform dot local scale will equal to the scale. Done. Yep, should be like this. If I'm not mistaken. Ba 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 ba. So when I move left, move right. I'm gonna put every of this into 0. This I'm gonna put 0.01, okay? It's working. Okay. I'm gonna pretend it's working. But I have no idea why is it freezing. Like it's suddenly freezing inside this attacking animation. Uh okay, so its attacking was locked. I'm not sure it's wait. Okay, if I multi click, okay, so I'm trying to work around my brand.exe, so When I press the button, I'm going to play this animation, and this animation will trigger. Okay, so when I press this button, what I want to do is play the attack animation, and then inside the animation we have a collider that will suddenly appear for the sword. So whatever the sword touch, it will damage it. And then after she finished swinging the sword, I will have to let her able to walk again, and also stop playing the animation, and do not soft lock. Allow the player to attack again. Okay, so when he play the attack animation, I'll have to disallow the player to move, disallow the player to attack, okay. So I just follow this, top to go. All right, so if input dot attack equal to true, and if there is a, I know my script is so animator and animation event dependency, but it's okay because I need the animator anyway. If animator dot set boolean for attacking to true, and then while it's attacking, public void animation event okay, public void, the first animation event is I have to disallow the player to move and disallow the player to attack again. So what I'm gonna do is public void. So once she start to swing the sword, I will have to disallow player movement, and then enable attack equal to force 2. Alright, so here I will have a neat private pool. So once she play the animation, she finish swinging the sword. Let's say she finished swinging the sword. Okay. We'll call this finish attack. Okay. I will have to set the animation to true again, and it's attacking. Enable attack for true. At the same time, I will have to set the boolean of animation to false. So if we save this, no, true. This one go back to down here. Okay, finish swing the sword. This one is the finish attack. Animation event as embed. into the animation. So over here, let me save first. No idea how did Unity suddenly crash on me, but it crashed. So this one will include in my challenge time. It's okay. Let's open back Manuka Honey Adventure. It's loading, but it's okay. So this one will go if my thinking is correct. So this one will do everything like that. Okay. As for the flip, yes, the flip. Here I'm forgetting. Call the flip. The flip should be in here or in the movement. All right. It should work. If it's not working, I also don't know what else. What is the other way to do it? Only coding the player, it took me 2 hours. She's flipping like crazy right now. If it starts flipping like crazy, okay, she's stuck again. Why is she stuck again? At the end of the frame, she should finish attack. Enable move and oh. What was I doing? Oh yeah, okay, so this is she's flipping like crazy. So this one, okay, so when she's on positive, when I press A, it's positive. No, when I press A, it's -1. When I press D, it's positive 1. Okay, so when I press D, I will want it to negative 1. Is more equal to negative 1. Okay, transform dot scale Wait, this one will also create a lot of freaking problem. So it's also create a lot of freaking problem. The flip itself is a problem right now. Okay, wait, let me try again. I'm gonna firstly get input dot input value. A is negative 1, D is positive 1. This one depends on. This one will only affect X value. Okay, so what I need to do is if it's positive 1, if X is positive and Manuka is X is positive and Manuka is okay, so if X is positive, Manuka is positive, then don't do anything. But if X is negative value, Manuka scale is also, but Manuka scale is at positive value. Make Manuka positive value times with negative 1. Okay, so this is now my, this is how I think. This is how I think. This is how my brain think. And my brain is not working. It's already 2 hours and I haven't finished. Play a script. Okay. So input dot move dot x mm-hmm. We do the same thing. We'll get the local skill first. Cut this, paste here. Okay. Okay. Same thing. Okay. Same thing. It's more than 0. And then we will do flip. Okay, great. I think this should be correct. I think this should be correct. Okay, the flip is fixed. Now the attack. Okay, the attack freeze. Attack freeze. Attack freeze. My brain! I don't think I can finish this in 12 hours, guys. Ah! Oh, we extend this to like, you know what, 48 hours. Only coding the player, it's already took me like what, 4 hours? Yeah, 3 hours right now, yesterday plus today. Okay, less talking, more coding. Let's see. Okay, so when I tap twice, attack, it freeze. When I tap twice, attack, it freeze. Okay. So what is the problem here? Is enable attack first, enable attack 2. Okay. I will have to check enable attack. Is it true or not? If it's true, then I only allow the player to swing the sword, which is start making it true. And then immediately I'll set it to false, so it won't able to swing it again. Alright, we try it again. This time we should fix the freeze attack and also flip the flip problem. Okay, it still freeze. Still freeze. What's the reason here? Why is it still freeze? Why is it still freeze? Is it because it cannot change enable move to true and enable attack to true inside the event? If this is the reason, okay, we're gonna serialize fail these two. Again, I'm not really good with working with animation event, so I have no idea what am I doing. What will I see in animation event? Let's try again. If this cannot, I will learn state machine off stream, and then I will code it into Manuka. Is it tomorrow? What day? I think there's something happening on tomorrow. Tomorrow is Thursday. I think Thursday is okay. Maybe I will continue. Maybe I won't. Okay, so Manuka freeze. What's the reason here? What is the reason? Why is she freezing? Where's my animator? Why is she freezing? Come down here. Pull here. My attacking and moving is fast. She should playing idle, but she's not. she's not playing idle, and the whole thing of it is just stuck there. Why? Okay, I forgot to change the input dot attack into false. I think this is the reason. This is one of the reason. Okay, let's try this. Guess I am guessing that that's the problem. Okay, so narration is here. Okay, okay, so it works. Move animation have to loop. I'm sorry. Okay, okay, okay. So it works. Okay, so it was input dot attack. Okay, so the any. Now I am officially saying protagonist animation and protagonist coding movement is finished. Okay, I'm done all of this. Alright, I'm just gonna cross this and I'm gonna start the new task. So the new task should be creating our villain with the all of our sketch thing. I will only fix the animation later. Thanks Rex for sending me another set new of animation. I will download it now. And try to see if I will. This one is aligned. Did I download it? I think I downloaded it. I just have to import in. Yes, this one. Okay, I will do this later. I will do this when everything else is not working. When everything is fixing. When everything is done. That one is extra perk to fix the animation. I think it's still. I think like that is okay. It's no problem at all. Okay, nextly. Nextly should be. Nextly should be. What was my brain thinking? Oh yeah, it was James. Blah blah. I accidentally talk about our villain's big name. Spoiler. Alright, so this is Baby James with his attack animation and running around animation with a sphere. Artist Nuka, are you still here? My little artist. I don't think she's here. Okay, I'm just gonna ask her then in Discord. What do you mean I don't? I know the stream actually delay a lot, but still. What do you mean I don't know? What do you mean I don't know? Okay, she says she's satisfied with this. Okay, all right, let's just use this then. I just want to do the foundation for our villain. Um, or or I can cut the general. Okay, let's look for some. Let's look for some extra enemy to let to do this. Ah, my head is like boom. Okay, we will have to fix the attack animation. We have to do something extra for the attack animation. Okay. So the sword start here. Wait. One, two, three. I is it 3 frames? Is it enough for me to detect the? It should be 3 frames. Should be enough for me to detect an enemy and deal damage. Okay. Let's just code the general monster code first. Where's my I? Okay. Let's use the old code. Let's use my old code. Space Walker. Resource. Scripts, and let's see what can I use over here. Damage script. Yes, damage script is from brackets. Learn from brackets. I don't need this. I need the instant death. No, I need enemy script. Enemy AI is, where's enemy AI again? Oh, this one is the frog. It's just moving around. Okay, this is not this. I think I don't. I'm starting to think everything from here is like really old thing, and I cannot use it at all. Where's GPM arc? No idea what is this. I'm gonna delete this. I mean, I'm gonna remove this. Coding the enemy is taking a lot of time. Alright, I have approximate 40 minutes left for today. Is it? Yes, approximate 40 minutes left for today. Um. Uh, um. Uh. What was I thinking? Okay. I need to code the. I have approximate 40 minutes. Alright, let's create a general code for every kind of enemy. And for this, let's call it C# script enemy general enemy enemy. Let's call it enemy. Just call it enemy first. Okay. Okay, we'll our task for the last task 40 minutes. Okay, we have not creating our villain. Instead of creating our villain, we have to create a general monster code. Okay, so all kind of monster in this all kind of monster in the game. I don't care what kind of monster will be appearing in the future. In the prototype, I'm not sure. All kind of monster in the game, they will have common stuff like HP, speed. Even though every monster have different speed, we can adjust in the prefab. I don't care. So I need a script to extend out from this enemy script. So firstly, we will do it like this by doing a header enemy status. Yes, I forgot to give status for Manuka, but that one will be in the future. Will that be in the future? I'm not sure. Wait, no. Okay, so I shouldn't call this enemy. I should call this. I know what is this called. Character status. So let's just rename the symbol file. Great, this is gonna work. Okay, header status. Alright, so public max HP should be, let's give it 50. How about 50? Public integer. Then I forgot to protect this code. Namespace manukey dot namespace manukey dot character dot status. Okay, let's say he have the status which is the max HP, and then we have a private float that's current HP, which mean you get the idea. Start the current HP will always refer back to the max HP at the start of the everything. Why am I lagging? Are you gonna crash again on me? Alright, so at start, the current HP will be the max HP, and when it instantiate, the current HP will also be the max HP. So okay, I don't care about instantiate first. I don't care about the monster spawning thing first. I don't give a I don't give a for it. Okay. Now, this is the common status that everyone will have inside this game. Okay. Manuka, gems, monster slime in the future. I don't know if I want to include slime or bee or anything. Do you want to kill B? I don't think Manuka will okay for me for herself to kill B. So I will leave B as an option. Brainwash B by James said okay. Like, I don't know what am I talking about. Okay. Alright. Every character should share the same status, which is the HP. And each character will have their own other skill status, which will extend from this character status. So next we will create another code that is called let's say James. Let's just call it boss James. And it's loading. And it's still loading. And it has finished loading, I think. Alright, so boss gems we're using again we will we will namespace and Manuki and character. Okay. Alright. Then boss gems will derive from character status. No, character status. Okay. So why I can't derive it? Because I have to using what? What? Oh, okay. Dummy head. Alright, here. Okay, so boss gems will have the HP itself. Great. So now we have to do the deal damage. Deal damage script. Here. Okay, so let's try this. No, it shouldn't be like it shouldn't be here. I suddenly realized it should be in other script, which is let's call it a Claymore script. I've approximate 30 more minutes. I'm just gonna try to add another Manuka into it and add that Manuka as enemy. I'm not saying Manuka is an enemy. I'm just saying. I'll show you what I do later. Okay, so for Claymore script, it's like on trigger ender, on trigger ender collide. We will do the on trigger ender 2D, collider 2D with collision. Okay, great. So before this, we will have to do a bit adjustment on the attack animation, where I need to edit a bit Manuka. So let's go into the prefab. We will create another game object, which is the Claymore. Even though I don't need to hide the Claymore anymore because the idle animation is always have a Claymore. Alright, yada yada, you get the idea. We will add a component, which is the collider, a box collider, and then we press on Manuka. We go into the attack animation. We will alright, adding around here. Okay, so 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 7, 8. So on here, starting, we have the Claymore. Edit the box collider to here. Is this a quite? I don't know if is this considered a quite wide attack. Right, so we add the property. This Claymore will normally doesn't have the box collider, but then inside the Claymore, and it's always this trigger. On the 6th frame, set active for 3 frame, and then on here you will set inactive. So when she hits, wait, what? Okay, when she hits, okay, great. So the collider will only appear when the sword reach here. This will add more handicap for, but it makes sense, right? I think it makes sense. So normally this won't work. Okay, blah blah blah. We will now hit the play, and we will try. We will try whether does it, you know. I accidentally undebug again. So damn. Alright, we'll walk around. I have no idea why is there another Manuka here. Oh, because this is a prefab. I'm sorry. So the collider will only appear when I attack. Great, great. Okay, so this is great. Okay, then I have another animation I need to fix in the future, but not now. We will have to do the Claymore script. Okay, if firstly, if collision dot game object dot find get component is health character status. Doing this. Okay, so you will say you're unable to find this, so I need to use Manuka character status. Then I will do damage based on Manuka status. I will need another script that's extend from player controller. So now we will start coding Manuka status. All code no use. This one close. Alright, let's come back to here. Again, using Manuka.status. We will extend from character status. Okay, then the player controller, we have to do one extra thing is because over time Manuka will level up, right? And the higher the level Manuka, the more HP and the strength. If I want to do this as an RPG game, the higher the level, the strength and the speed and the everything about Manuka will get higher in a good way. So it will also affect the walking speed. Let's say if she want to increase her walking speed, let's say I'm talking, let's say over the controller there, we will have to using to find Manuka status. Okay, so over here we will have a private. Okay, so on await there, we will try to get a component. Wait, how do you try get component again? Oh yeah, sorry. It should be status equal to get component dot Manuka status. And if the reference not found, no, I cannot do this. It's okay. So on moving here, on movement here, moving up here, okay. If status is equal to now, we will use back whatever we could here. Okay. Else, no. Okay, no, it's easy. Just delete this again. These two. This. Ctrl K, Ctrl D. If status is found not equal to null, then in Manuka status over here, we will have to create another thing that is called HP. Maximum speed. Okay. We will give her 2 at the start. Great. So in here, character status, no, Claymore, blah blah blah. This one, yes, this one. Then we cut this into here. Else. Okay, so public float string, not string, damage. Let's say 2.0. Well, it's too low. 5.0 lah. 5.0 F. Okay. Okay, go to the Claymore Script. I wonder if you guys can hear the drilling that's ongoing in the house. But if you guys think that it's really loud, I will tomorrow we'll have no problem because tomorrow I'm moving today. So, and if Manuka status is not equal to now, else we will do the same thing. Then we also have a public float, private, no, just call it public float default Claymore default damage. We will give it a 5.0 float. Okay, then we will deal damage. Public void deal damage. We will call float damage. So else we will pass in Claymore default damage. If we pass in Manuka status dot damage. I know there's a better way to put this, but this is the current way I can think of when I have like 15 minutes left and I want to finish this. La 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 la. Ah. 끝났어. 야구하기. 덥실라. 아. 4 more minutes, guys. I'll try to extend another 50 minutes just to finish this. I'll try, but I don't think I don't know whether I can do it or not. Hurting, not hurt. How about I just do this? Delete. Yes, plus figure. Good. Ready, state. Hurt. Save. What? Okay then. Okay, I have no idea why suddenly my Manuka cannot move anymore, but it's already 3, so let's try. Yes. Suddenly he cannot move anymore. What's the reason? Oh, it's reading. It's definitely reading this. Wait, let me. It's 3 o'clock. body the position plus input dot move, and then this one is under enable move to set true. This one is just calculating the new target speed if there is a status or no. If Manuka status is in there. And then I'm debugging the log depending on my speed. So if I'm using the normal one, it's 0.2. This one is 0.6. No, this one is 0.2. This one is 0.6 because I changed Manuka maximum speed to 3. It's returning 0.06, but here is not working. Even though at times with the target speed, why is it not working? Is it because of the animation? It's just suddenly cannot move. What's the reason? Is it player input? I have the input catcher, I have the player controller, I have the player input. Manuka status is a new thing that doesn't really affect. The only thing affect is the maximum speed, which is also already registered in. So if I press WSD, this one should show 1, -1, 1, -1, something around that, or -7, 7. But it's not moving. It's not moving the position of my Manuka. Supposedly my position should change. It's that there's something forcing Manuka to stay at place, but I don't know what. If I change this to 4, yes, so definitely the target speed is working. Then what is the issue here? Why can't it move? Why can't it suddenly move? Why can't it suddenly? Why suddenly it cannot move? What am I saying? Is it because of the claim? I don't think the claymore is the issue though. The claymore is just calculating the damage. So why? Why is the Why is Manuka suddenly cannot move? It's definitely pushing. The flipping still work. Is it because of the flipping? But the flipping is only transforming the skill, so it's not the issue that why are you not moving your body? Move your body, bro. Why? Wait, I need to check back my stream. I definitely confirm it worked just now. Yes, I was testing an animation, so it should work. Why? Why? Why is it not working? It's not like... Okay, we will try the attack first. We'll try the attack. We'll try the attack. Okay. So it's hurting, but the animation is wrong. Because the position I move it to negative 0.5. What if, let's say, what if? Okay, the dummy is like locked in place. I cannot move it too. This is really weird. What is forcing? What is forcing it doesn't move? Is it this one? Let's try. It is the animation. Okay, another class start again. The freezing problem I have to fix. I have to take note on that and fix it. It's already 3 o'clock. I have to stop now. I have to start packing. I have to start packing. Okay, great. Great. Okay, success? No, not really that success. At least at least enemy control is working. One more thing I actually want to try is let's delete the character status. Instead, we will use the Manuka status and see whether it will decrease the HP of dummy Manuka. Because Manuka status was extended from character status, so I'm not sure he can check the issue or not. So it can. Right. Also, we will we also increase Manuka speed by 5. Yep. How about 100? Okay, that was too fast. Just kidding. Come on, like 20. Alright. Okay, so attack animation, hurt animation, everything is working now. I'll say it's a good job. I'll stop here. The dummy is working, everything is working. Is it everything? I'm not sure, but at least I have created the general of monster code, which the attack thing is working. I need to fix a bit the hurt animation where I want it to do a bit knockback. I think I know how to do for from the code because I can do it from the code. Is there anything I need to make sure in the next arc? The next arc should be let's say the next arc should be gems. And then level building for the gems level, and also some small monster testing. I'm not gonna try level up because again this is a prototype. It's just testing the walking around and attacking. So also showing a bit of the story. I think it will work. I think I can finish it. I think I can finish it under 12 hour. So this look promising now. And yeah, I think that's all for today's stream. I think that's all for today. My work. I need to go packing and move now. Bye bye.